Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about milk storage and share some simple tips to help mothers store milk safely and stay organized. After collecting milk, proper storage is one of the most important steps. Good storage habits help keep your routine simple and make feeding more convenient later. Always use clean storage bottles, hard plastic containers, glass containers, or milk storage bags that are designed for storing milk. Using clean containers helps maintain a safe storage routine. Before placing the milk in the refrigerator or freezer, label each container with the date and time. This simple habit makes it easier to use the oldest stored milk first. If you're using storage bags, try storing them flat in the freezer. This can save space and make it easier to organize your freezer. Keep the containers tightly sealed and place them toward the back of the refrigerator or freezer where the temperature stays more consistent. Avoid filling storage containers completely to the top, especially if they will be frozen, because liquids naturally expand as they freeze. It is also helpful to organize your storage area regularly. Keeping everything neat and easy to find can save time during busy days. When you're ready to use stored milk, thaw and prepare it according to recommended safety guidelines, and avoid refreezing milk that has already been thawed. Every mother's storage routine is different, but staying organized and following safe storage practices can make daily feeding much easier. With clean containers, proper labeling, and good organization, milk storage can become a simple and stress-free part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.